Good morning, everybody. Let's get into the agenda for today. So, not July 2nd. Today it's already the 9th. Wow. July's flying by. By the time Thursday ends, you should have completed on Google Classroom your week 1 assignments, your week 2 assignments, your anticipation guide for thank you, ma'am, your reading response for thank you, ma'am, and your reading check today for thank you, ma'am. Questions of identity. Who am I? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this way? What kind of person do I want to be today? Thank you, ma'am is a text about second chances, being a better person, maybe not being the person some people see you as. How can I connect that to my life? Who am I? So, our learning targets today, we're going to get to know one another. We're going to be good listeners. Stay focused on the Google Meets. Limit distractions on the Chromebook and at home. Then you can complete the reading check for thank you, ma'am. You're going to listen closely or read deeply on your own. You're going to infer what the text is saying. You're going to use evidence from the text to support your answer. So, on Google Classrooms, there is the reading check there. This is why I love making these videos, because I see my misspellings. So, please answer the following questions on Google Forms and this YouTube video, which you're watching. So, I will read the questions to you. So, read the passage and questions and answer to the best of your ability. Not with that face. I would take you nowhere, said the woman. Here I am trying to get home to cook me a bite to eat, and you snatch my pocketbook. Maybe you ain't been to no supper either, late as it be. Have you? There's nobody at my house, said the boy. What can you infer about his home life? He may not have parents that support and care for him. He is an orphan. He is lying. He wants to run away. All of those seem like they could be the answer. What is the best answer? What is the story about? I've done things too which I would not tell you, son, neither tell God, if he didn't already know. Why did the lady say this to the boy? She wanted him to know about her. She wanted to brag about her youth. She wanted to show that she made her own mistakes and people can change. She wanted to tell the boy a story. But the boy took care to sit on the far side of the room where he thought she could easily see him out of the corner of her eye if she wanted to. He did not trust the woman not to trust him, and he did not want to be mistrusted now. Why do you think he did not want to be mistrusted now? Not like feeling guilty? He felt nervous about being there. He liked the old lady. He wanted to show that he was not the person that made that mistake. Okay. Now here, take these $10 and buy yourself some blue suede shoes. And next time, do not make the mistake of latching onto my pocketbook, nor nobody else's. Because shoes come by devilish like that will burn your feet. What does she mean? Because shoes come by devilish like that will burn your feet. Fancy shoes can make you cocky. She cannot afford her own shoes. When you do something wrong, eventually you'll be punished for it. She wants him to get new shoes. What is the answer that makes the most sense of what she's been trying to do with the boy? Again, what do you think you can learn from this story? No wrong answers. That is your own opinion. And that is what I have for you guys. And I hope you have a fantastic weekend after you complete this, okay?